Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to discuss about how you can add profile picture onto your Gumtree account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login/register button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My Details, you will be shown your profile details and all of the information. Within this page, there is however no option to set or change your profile picture. So this means that there is no profile picture within the actual Gumtree account. However, within this page, there is also the CV section where you can upload your CV, which can technically include your picture. So make sure that you have a recently updated CV available. And if you don't, then simply create one using your profile picture. After your CV has been ready, you can click on the Choose File option and simply upload this CV onto your account. Once your CV has been uploaded, the viewers within your profile will be able to view your profile picture through your CV. And there you have it. That is how you can change or add a profile picture on your Gumtree account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.